Hey Forkers, do you want to make a delightful sweet and soury kind of tofu rice dish? Yeah, you do. Subscribe below and then come right back and I'll give you the recipe. Hey Forkers, so this recipe has been a family favorite of ours for before we were even a family, when my wife and I first started dating. And I'm not gonna lie, we got the original idea from this recipe from a cookbook called Looneyspoons that was called Wowie Maui Chicken, but we completely revamped it and made it plant-based. So now it's Wowie Maui Tofu. Here's how we make this beautiful, beautiful dish. We're gonna take 1 block of firm tofu. We didn't have firm tofu right now, so we just pressed the hell out of it between some of our favorite cookbooks for a little while and soaked as much liquid as we could out of it. Chop it up into squares or wedges, whatever shape you want. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook ours in our air fryer. If you don't have an air fryer, you can just pan fry it, dry fry it, it'll work just fine. Just dry until it's crispy on both sides, the tofu. If you do have an air fryer, throw it in at around 390 for 20 minutes. Flip it every few minutes, keep on checking it. It should actually only take about 15 minutes to do. Make sure you read the recipe on the website and have all the ingredients ready because this comes together super fast. Basically, you're gonna throw all your ingredients except for one into the pot right away. 2.5 cups of low sodium vegetable broth. 1 can of pineapple tidbits. With the juice, you want that beautiful juice, trust me. 1.5 cups uncooked brown rice, 2 chopped up peppers, 3/4 cups of finely chopped carrots, 1 cup of frozen peas, 1 cup edamame, 1/3 cup of ketchup, get the healthy shit if you got it, 2 tablespoons of tamari, or soy sauce works just fine too, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 2 cloves of garlic minced, and you're gonna throw that all into the pot, you're gonna mix it up nice. Bring it to a boil, stir it up, put the lid on and leave it for 20 minutes. Come back every now and then and give it a stir. When there's 5 minutes left to go, throw in a 3/4 cups of chopped up green onions and stir that in. And that's it. You have got Wowie Maui Tofu. Seriously, this dish is one of our favorites. It makes about 6 servings and each serving is under 400 calories, which is bonkers considering it includes the rice. This stuff keeps well in the fridge. I would make a double batch. We love this stuff and it's great for lunch the next day. If you like this recipe, which I know you will, subscribe please. Share the video, comment, let us know if you made it. Did you add any different vegetables? Did you customize it in any way? Send your photos, make comments, do the things. Thanks a lot Forkers. Check out our other videos and subscribe.